For some folks, environmental sustainability is something recent and new. And it's easy to see why. Climate change, extreme weather, natural disasters are all creating huge headlines and driving conversations in boardrooms, newsrooms, and on social media. For Toyota, protecting the environment and having a positive impact on society is more than just a trendy corporate initiative. It's a promise we've been keeping here in North America for over 30 years. That's why we're so committed to our areas of focus in the Toyota Environmental Challenge 2050. These are the visionary goals that connect our know-how with game-changing technologies to create a net positive environmental impact on the planet we all share. Over the last 30 years, we produced more than 40 million vehicles, and environmental sustainability has been a part of every one of them. Over the next 30 years, we plan to do even more. Want to learn more about our environmental focus areas and the Toyota Environmental Challenge 2050? Visit the Toyota Environmental Ideas and Action site and help us make a better planet.